Hey guys, we are back in another video. So today it's Subway Surfers Part 4. Really quick. I just got a new high score off camera, of course that always happens. And I am almost at the gold level, beating someone with a tattoo on their hand. That's the picture. So I am doing really good at the moment. Let's see if we can get 5,000 coins. I couldn't get 5,000 coins off cam, so I don't think I'm gonna get 5,000 coins in. And actually 4,000. Actually 5,000 or 4,000, because like I got 4,000 last vid. I got 3,000 last vid, I think, yeah. And yeah, so 4,000 or 5,000 is good. I'd rather 5,000, of course. I'd rather the more than less. Of course, we're not gonna get this 5,000 first try. We are gonna get it. I can guarantee you that though. You're gonna get it, but not first try. You never know. Okay, whatever. Not first try. Like the hoverboard. If there's a way that a character can go super mega fast at the start, it would be cool. Magna, yes, another Magna. Let's go. I'm used for the character to go fast now, so. What's up, bye? Yo, what's up, bye? Like, yeah. The train's name is Bye. Bye, why are you trying to kill me, Bye? I thought we were friends, Bye. Oof, that was close. It's getting a little bit faster, a little bit. I need faster. I'm not gonna waste hoverboard. I only use hoverboard when it's need. I need it. I actually need it. I used it at the start because I needed it. I need it. Hallelujah. Okay. Finally, it's getting a little bit fast. I hate at the start when it's so slow. I mean, it should be fast for like players that that do a very good score. It should be fast, like at the start, because like at the start it's so slow. It's so boring. So that's why. Crap. Getting better at like hopping to each train when I'm like on top of the train. I barely fall now. I still fall sometimes, but barely. Get yo. The hoverboard doesn't waste that much since I'm on the boost and I'm not using the hoverboard. Only when I'm on the ground it uses a lot of. If you see the green bar, it uses a lot on the ground. When you use the hoverboard, the green bar goes more down when you're on the ground, because when you're on, because you're actually using it. But when you're like on in with a boost, it uses less because you're not using it. It still uses some though, but really less. Yes, I had a hoverboard. See? I use it when I need it. Yo. Guys, comment down below which other games I can play, because I'm playing Roblox next, but I don't, if I can, I will change my mind if you guys comment down below some games. Maybe. Oh crap. Oh. My hand's itchy. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna reach 1,000. We have to get 4,000 anyway, so 1,000's normal for us now. First it was hard at the start. Now it's easy. Okay. Guys, comment down below your highest score. I just want to know, maybe we can be friends, maybe on Facebook. My Facebook will be linked down in the description, and my friend's Facebook. My brother's, I mean. Or my older brother, which is 26. One key, because I'm doing really good, and I don't like starting again because I'm going to be so slow. I mean, yeah, I thought I had a hoverboard, so bad. What's like a hoverboard when you die? Key. Shit. Sorry. Accidentally swear. Guys, do not swear at your school, because you will get detention. 1,323, not really good. But it's alright. I hate this. I just need school boosters, yes. I need school boosters, but what do school boosters do? I don't understand. I all the time play school boosters, but they do nothing. Nice, this guy's good at this game. No, really. Nice. Paper IO, this guy's good. Nice. It's like he's painting. Okay, that's good. That guy's good. What did that do though? Give me a second, guys. Give me a sec. What was I gonna do? I forgot. I was gonna do something. Oh yeah, shop. Let's go to shop. One key. Lol, only one. Head start. Let's go. Okay, we have to watch this guy again. I know this guy really good. So, I mean, now I do. Is it the same guy? No, yeah, it is. I remember him going through this. This guy's good though. Guys, next video which is gonna be today, earlier we're gonna be playing Slither.io. Because we can't just go to the 5th part straight away. One head start, let's go. That's what I wanted. Head start. Let's go. Let's go. Wait, but I'm still so slow. Now I have no coins, I guess. Oh, crap. I think this is gonna have to be the end though. 10 minutes, but could not get 4,000. Come on. Guys, so I'm sorry this had to happen. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, such a special like button, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Before ending this video, I almost forgot to say, make sure to download the app Canva. You can make a lot of things to your YouTube thing, such as birthday Instagram post, wedding invitations, sale Facebook post, music poster, and way more. If you type in YouTube, a lot of things will appear. You can create a YouTube channel art, YouTube thumbnail, beauty YouTube channel art, beauty YouTube thumbnail, food YouTube thumbnail, makeup YouTube channel art, music YouTube channel art, music YouTube thumbnail, travel YouTube channel art, and travel YouTube thumbnail. Make sure to download this app and you will become a very good YouTuber. Bye.